Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today's video is going to be this quick and simple easy hairstyle. It's really giving me Princess Leia vibes, but I don't know if that's what I was going for, but it's what ended up happening. So it's really simple, it's really quick, and my ends, so because how I do the buns, my ends are protected, so this is a great protective hairstyle that is really easy to do if you kind of wake up one day and you're kind of like on day 3, day 4, you know, from post wash. Because we all know day 1 is like, you know, when you do your curls or whatever, or like you twist it and the curls are tight. Day 2, curls look good. Day 3, and then day 4 is just like, you know. So so this is definitely one of those hairstyles that you can do towards the end of the week, you know, a couple of days before your wash day, just so to keep your hair protected, moisturized, and to give you a fun look. So if you guys want to see how I got this hairstyle, then please continue watching, but let's get into it. Let me stop being stupid. Okay, I'm so hungry, so if you hear my stomach rumbling, apologies. So we're just gonna start by parting our hair. You can part it however you like your hair to fall. If you hear some noise, it's gonna be my dogs in the background. I don't technically like to leave them out of the room. And here goes one of them. So what was I saying? Yeah, I always love my parts to fall to the right, or yeah, my hairs to fall to the right, so I part on the left. But if you want your hair to fall on the left, you part on the right. Okay, so what we're basically going to do is kind of just twist the front and just leave the back how it is, and then just kind of come back to it, I think. So like I said, this is going to be a very quick and easy hairstyle. If you want this hairstyle to last you a whole lot longer, then by all means add some jam or some gel in the front. Not too much, nothing too crazy, but just enough, you know, just so the hair will look snatched. So now we're gonna go in with the 2 strands. So start off like this, and then just, I don't know how to explain it. It's kind of like you're braiding, but you're only just using 2 strands, and you're only twisting as opposed to actually braiding. And as you're getting the front, just make sure that you get, like, you pull your hair not too tight, but just so it can look, you know, like this. Just kind of pull together a little bit. Ear area, you can just kind of cut it off and then just keep twisting, but don't add the rest of your hair to it. And then now we're going to put it up in a bun. And the only reason why, or you twist it before you grab the rest of your hair, because it can easily come undone, and you don't want that, just because you're gonna have to go back and retwist it. I'm just gonna do this pretty tight. You don't have to, you know, you do what you want, right? So now the one side is done. I really do like the way this, I think this is really cute. Like really cute. I mean, I really hope you guys can see the detail in my hair. I hope you can see the details. So then now we're going to attempt to do the same thing on this side. I am just using my hair and kind of just putting the gel, not necessarily everywhere, but mainly in the front part of my hair, because I don't have, you know, really soft edges. Like my hair is rough and tough. And so by adding the gel, it definitely gives it a sleeker, more put together appearance. I think my dog just farted. Sleeker and more, you know, put together appearance. You see how that just looks so nicely put together. Like, I don't even know why I don't use gel. Gosh, so good. So good. Like, it's giving me like the relaxed vibes that I want for my hair. Anyways, okay, so now we're just going to do the same thing. I think I twist in different directions in the front. If you can do it in the same direction, cool, but I'm not that talented. So we're just going to do the same thing. Sorry, we're just gonna do the same thing. Okay, so let's retry that once again. Make sure you're pulling the front, not pulling it so hard that, you know, your edges are going to have a problem, but just pulling it tight enough so it's, you know, it's nicely put together, like so. Once again, if you can, you know, twist forward like this side, then cool. I just can't do it. I don't know what it is, but I don't know why. I don't know why. Wow. So once again, we're just going to finish twisting this, and then we're gonna put it up in a bun. Actually, I'm gonna do 2 twists and the bun itself, just because I feel like by doing 2, if you have shorter hair, then it'll be easier to kind of make the bun look bigger without having to leave your hair out, you know? So I'm just going to twist this one as well. My dog's sleeping, so if you hear snoring or heavy breathing, like his face, his nose is on the door, like I don't know. Okay, so, oh, that one didn't want to stay. So I'm just gonna have them both go in kind of different directions. So like this. And then we're gonna do the same thing on the opposite side. You know, do two separate twists. They're kind of like Princess Leia buns, but kind of sort of not really. Let me add some gel in the front. My hair is the toughest thing right here. I wish I had a smaller brush, but I don't. So I'm going to wrap my hair really quickly, and I'll be back in like 5 minutes. But just wrap your hair up like this, just to keep your edges down. Hopefully you have done your makeup and whatever else already. Make sure you do it tight. And just, okay. And see, so this is the finished. Don't mind the swing. The swing felt like having a hook today. But this is the finished look. Hope you guys can see the actual detail and how it's so much fun. Like, it's so fun. it kind of sticks up like in these little areas right here. It's just like a really cute hairstyle. Thanks so much for watching. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video, learned something, whatever. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and share. All optional, of course, but greatly appreciated. And I love you guys, and I'll see you guys in my next video.